All right, so here's a scenario for you. Someone works one way, and then someone has school or the kiddo's school or college or another scenario over in the opposite direction. So, how do I personally set up a search for them when they tell me they want to be 30 minutes from school and or 30 minutes from work and 20 minutes from school? That's what this video is going to show you, and that's what we're going to go over today. So, if you already know that and you're like, I already know that, stick around. Hey, you might find something new. I might do it a different way than you. That's the whole point of the channel, so we can all share information, glean information, and then one day, whenever you're upset at your current office and you're like, man, I'm so upset at my current office, I'm going to call Josh. I'm going to be here. I'm going to be like, here, come here with an open hug. Open hug. Let's work together. Let's work together. Let's take your business to that next level. Let's do that. Let's make that happen. But before that happens, let's go ahead and go over today's video. Let's say we have a customer who works in Oklahoma City, southeast Oklahoma City, and they do not want to be more than about 20 minutes from their church. So this is considered southeast Oklahoma City right here. So knowing that their church is in the Choctaw-Nakoma Park area. Let's go this way about 15 miles, because that would be about a 30-minute drive during rush hour. So here's 15 miles. I could do 20, but I don't want to lie to myself. And then let's say they want to be 10 miles from their church. And let's say their church is located right here. So I'm going to do 10 miles on this. So 10 miles on this radius. So there's 10 miles right there. Okay, so there's 10 miles right there. And then we'll just go ahead and say they're looking for a 4-bed with 2 baths, 3-car garage. And let's say they want to be underneath 600. All right, and let's say newer too. So let's say 1990 plus. So then I'm going to jump back into my map. And so they want to be 20 minutes from their school, 20 minutes from their church, 20 minutes from their church. That is this circle right here, a 10-mile radius. Because during rush hour, 10 miles physical as the bird fly miles could turn out to be 20-minute drive. And then this circle right here is the 30-minute drive from southeast Oklahoma. So everything inside of these two circles could be a potential home for them. One second. Had to blow my nose. I didn't think you wanted to watch me blow my nose. Does that make sense? So this is a 30-minute drive, a perimeter by 30 minutes is what this is, a 15-mile perimeter. Okay, that equals about 30-minute drive time during rush hour. And this perimeter circle that I just pulled out on the map from their church is a 20-minute drive time. So that would give their house located inside this circle right here. See where they cross over? You got to stay inside of that circle right here. Those would be potential houses that they might be interested in. That house is just outside that cusp. Let me go ahead and pull it out there. That way I have some options for them. And they want a minimum of 4 beds. Let's go back to criteria. They want a minimum of 4 beds. They want a minimum of 2 baths. And they want a minimum of a 3-car garage. And they want it 1990 or newer. So does that make sense, what we're looking at right there on this map? Now, if I want this search to update them with homes that are available, then I would simply take my rectangle. No, I take my polygon. Right here, and I would cut out this circle that is outside of them. So right now I'm building this polygon right here, and I'm going to select the not button. So right here it says exclude this shape. So I excluded that shape. And then this circle right here, I need to exclude that too. So I'm going to add another polygon right here to take that search out, because that search is further that portion of the second search is further than a 30-minute drive to Southeast Oklahoma, to their work location. So now I have just the homes located in both those two circles. So those homes distance-wise and character-wise, minimum 4-bed, minimum 2-bath, minimum 3-car garage, built 1990 and newer, those homes hit that criteria that this particular buyer is looking for. So that's how I personally would set up that search to be within X amount of location from the job and X amount of location from their church, two different locations, not near each other, and they want to be 30 minutes from the job, 20 minutes from the church. So that's how I personally would set up that search. Does that help? Does that help? Thumbs up. Thumbs up if that helps. Comment down below if that helps. Comment down below if you've got a different way to do it, and let me know your way, or just reach out to me and let me know your way too, so we could do it together on a screen share. And if it's a cool way, I definitely want to share it with the channel. That way everyone else knows. If it's a way that works, whether it's cool or not, if it's a way that works, I want to share it with the channel so that everyone else can benefit from your style of search. And of course, guys, as always, I am a salesman. You know that. Plus, I want to work with you. I literally do want to work with you at eXp Realty. I blew it off the first time I heard about it, and it took me until I had a pain point at my current brokerage to start looking more into the systems, the tools, the training, the technology, and the availability of support staff, not just brokers. I've got 3 different brokers at my state, but also accounting department, onboarding department, expert care department, transaction department, closing department. Guys, it's literally easy company. I jumped on right before I made this video, got a smart sheet that I needed for one of my new sponsors, sent it over to him so he could get something updated that he wanted updated on his end that we've already discussed. And I literally did that in less than 3 minutes before I jumped on this video to make this video today. Whether you're a new agent, a team leader, a seasoned agent, or a broker owner looking to take off the brokerage part of the brokerage and put it on eXp shoulders, take it off your shoulders so you can build your real estate team to the size, to the immense, it's international, to the immense crowd that you've always wanted, reach out to me, guys. Contact information down in the description below. I'd love to chat with you about how eXp Realty is obsessed with agent success. And I really hope you enjoyed that other part of the video on how I set up searches for consumers. And if you did, if you like that part, share it with someone you know, or share it with some new agent that you know is learning how to do things. Or use it on your broker teams, your broker training. Use it on your broker training. Maybe one of your agents can use this and land a deal real quick. All right, guys. As always, thank you so much for joining the channel. Give it a thumbs up. See you on the next video. And yeah, keep it real. Real estate, real. That was corny. That was corny, I know. I'm going to go ahead and close this out now. All right. See you guys. All right. I really hope I'm recording. I wonder if I'm recording. Where's the little button that I just used? So let's say we've got a customer who wants to live. Oh, I didn't float my screen. Hold on, let me float my screen real quick. Okay, now it's floating.